Welcome, today we're going to show you how to export Capcut videos without watermark. So let's go to the method on how to do that. First, you need to open your file explorer or this PC. So you need to go to this PC as you see from here. After that, you can go to your main drive, C drive. After that, you need to actually go to your users section and go to your own user. So from here, you need to actually turn on hidden folders. So from here you need to actually turn on hidden folders from the view section. So click on show from here and click on hidden items. So when the true icon as you see from here appears, now you will see hidden folders. So now you need to open up data and go to local from here. After that you will see Capcut. You need to open it and click on apps. Now we need to click on the version. Now we need to go to resources file as you see from here, and you need to scroll down till you find the watermark file. So these two files you need to actually just right click and delete these files. So after you do so, now the video when it's exported won't have any watermark. So let's try to export this video. So now when we open the file, as see from here, the file location, you can just open the video and you'll see that it has no watermark. So watermarks by default for Capcut appear here, and I'll see on the top left there's no actual watermark. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.